everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received my Gourmia Air Fryer. Rocky is interested to see what is there inside. So I just thought I will do the unpacking in front of the camera and see how it is. Let's see. I bought this in Amazon Mexico online, and I actually wanted to buy this from Costco because the price was much cheaper there, but the product was not available for the past 4 months, so I ended up buying in Amazon. It usually happens with us. We always end up buying something, and then after a month, we find the same product somewhere else at a much cheaper price. So I think it was destined to happen that I had to buy this at a higher cost. So I bought this for around $125 from Amazon Mexico. It's around 2,500 pesos. So there was a manual and a recipe book as well. And it came with a multi-purpose rack and a crisper tray. So before using, I cleaned the whole thing with a wet kitchen cloth because it was written that there might be some plastic smell for the first time cooking. So I thought it's better to clean it properly. So I tried first with French fries, which is our favorite. So I put some frozen French fries and opted for the French fries option. So it initially preheats probably for a couple of minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes, and then it starts cooking. So the French fries took around 15 minutes. While cooking, you see some smoke coming out, which is very normal. That's why you should place it little away from the wall or not keep it close to any other electronics. There is also an option called turn reminder, but I forgot to switch it on. So I took it out manually and then shook it and kept it back. So even if you forget to turn the reminder on, you can just do it manually. So once you keep it back, it switches on automatically from where it stopped. And this is how it was. It was very crispy and soft inside. Then I tried with some nuggets. I chose the same option as French fries. So this also took around 15 minutes. We can also increase and decrease the temperature by pressing plus and minus. After 8 minutes, I took out the nuggets and turned them around so it cooks evenly and kept it back. So it starts automatically from where it stopped. And this is how they looked after 15 minutes. I'll just cut and show you. It was really crispy outside and soft and juicy inside. Then I tried some frozen hash browns. I sprayed some cooking oil on top of it. This time I chose air fryer option. And after some time I took them out and turned them around. Usually when I fry these hash browns in oil on stove top, I find them very oily. When I eat it, I get the oil flavor. But after I fried them in the air fryer, I felt that it didn't have the oil taste and it tasted really good. And the next day we tried some chicken legs. So I marinated chicken legs for 1 hour with our Indian masalas, and then I chose the wings option. So it took around 20 minutes and they came out really well. I would highly recommend this air fryer, mainly because I personally don't like to cook oily food on the stove top, because the oil splashes everywhere and then it's a lot of work to later clean up the stove, and also the guilt of eating oily food. I hope you liked my video and thank you so much for watching. Bye.